Lungilsil silmuna pekla adragoy el alsil si katangarang Rusal Rayray Ersel Headquarter Palau National Communications Corporation PNCC kita adar belau el celebrate ra moment 38 years rangar makal sila PNCC lorur tra atogora telecommunication sirgida adar belau makamal kan congratulate la PNCC adra board marukul staff yang artelo pengeder el alsil sa Mr. Myers T. Itong niya Chief Operations Officer of PNCC, Mr. Robert Tomaru niya Chief Financial Operations Officer of PNCC, Mrs. Silway Silas niya Sales and Marketing Manager, Madiregal Public Relations Officer of PNCC, and Mr. Heflin Bay. Pataman mo rin asulim no sabi el alsils ng PNCC celebrate 38 years of great service, and I know PNCC has come a long way, has grown so much. And Mr. Tiitong ako lingit bodo so di tial kong bali el alsils was say what have we done for the people of Palau? What do we look forward to? Ragal bukrakal merma. Sulang Mr. Tiitong.
Sulang all green. History of PNCC totong alil. Was after 8 years tial wala PNCC 1982. Narinya la al milkat mukrsel time al RPPL 1-40. Siya miltab iya PNCC tial PNCC ngari al sils. Seble sira December 7 2017. En kilobra RPPL 10-17 saya SLA al tirak kanir al RPNCC. Ma since then ang services sergida amla maliget galing technology amla change change sa technology sergida al tuira aigen ngaringira balulat adingilal may 1982 hotel mle advanced technology kita long distance calling 1982 say the time gasaira 50% ra blara alsela pelaw o then wara apply fixed line services, and so we've come a long way since then, and then again local information are available alsela wa directory gid milestones gid. Mens edel dingura 2019 ng mutrela though ay silwa sing ramlam kat mokra al sila PNCC services sergi del morokya ado messer ngia ngaringia blaringia culture change blaringia structure change ra PNCC since 2017 ng mutrela as ege awal tasilu bersegi del SLA wasing mla change abalula mla gid el change ma a first el partner saya gumna so focus sergida dimla mora customer service not to say was dimla kal ngaringira walel ndia al time that's become a primary focus is customer service, and then aong yerunga atodong lilwa sing 2017 mla ni sel official launch tial fiber optic cable gid mong saya amne change sa dynamics la service el doltrani la modera di doltra service en el lultuira y el services en la línea 6 del time a service el doltra el anga all double hase those pertial internet en saya ab es el technology do bar el alta من سوغل مو واي سرجيد روغول واسا غوتل كلول امباكتر نيرا كايد الكونكشن المرا فايبر اوبتيك كيبل موبايل سيرفيسز and then ngara ar other roغول el ang adio cell phone I say a cell phone solid connecting universal al ngaringi egel se edlo spe egel cell phone al connector gidra vekkel ta mang since just to take a step back 2015 played got to introduce the mobile data ni in that time el melmuter el ang yidem na chance plan sergid mo accommodate our bekla I remember in 2015 sa got el Morinya mobile data it was 3G, and we were charging our customers rack rate of 25 cents per MB, which is still at this today ado mesering mal takay. El altam si ado mesegel mobile plans, magel bundles, ngira prepaid services again. You can get service, which means you pay $1 a day and you get 1 gig of data, you get some phone minutes, and you get some SMS included. Egegidel services allow our it's an affordable service. It connected bekkel time, whether it be for or emergency services, and ngari say the connectivity el diagal dil belaw. Selo ngara igegidel tumutol waseng OTT over the top apps. Messenger, WhatsApp, and balul atro gira sa mal adu share videos masyasing. Mobile network gida waigel dulgol wa sige del plan sa ngaringi geared towards our okya gargid manage our okya gargid. And then kal network gida waigel dulgol wa sa 3G am naringi sa 2015. 2017 mlonia 4G. 4G, what that allows us to do is more data throughput. Network gida expand the 4G services. El tobra orior mayra ngaringia 4G ra blilio. Ediregal ngania 4G ra igel site el dumgodol wasing koksay ma wel. Sel wela sel mabudulang esar ulung welang klelang se tirigel gup mudang aliang pakro der segi del time dimnaga al sortara nanya tablol summer house ra usangi summer house ra wel segi del site terma makme der segi del summer house ra wel ulung welang kle koksa dito tangalil ngar segi del tuugil el murang atang egegida nganya 4G ringi endi adora el mong yes expand ra 4G mora babaldab mora yoldab and nding diregal nganya baby ratol di sokolo ay seringi patokol okya ka malgol waseng selunga dengwartir raram rigel mal ubung lul ray krel belan mun may and dakalori 4G ringi til aya tarayel tokol giblam nang si mamutmok leringin morar adro kuy nganya gelum godol waseng popular bands ra alsela balul af may egayid al site tagimil al mail matmok rigid al gidel our oceans first regayid al site tamot ora obis rigid al sela blue orior dial across the post office ese amo carry egayid al bands alangaringia o dengway egayid al dengwal dul wasetya di trichi malding ara maldit tribal time adi el al Friday eng mosbe edel lo mesel waseng maralorio regay del denmarkid malubendea leng moni say del SL site continue mulmol melomer regay del services mang tergay del adel el mil ara denmarkid krel belang mos ilo spera 4G ending kerdi kau tengay rokul waseng mo ara denmark ora PNCC and guarantee del waselangania 4G signal asa blur bela o engorio ara denmark segi dia wara next step mobile network gida make it more accessible and more okay gargid ya ongerunga of course increase capacity ringi malbon masega da balun dakal yokla service gid may ege ya rele del meral monge olgari mal ngarnya kurang ngod garim rege del services and direkar se edel mo sa
Sulang Mr. Titong, Kadamral Mal Aswara, PNCC, 1982 Mer El Alcils, 1982 mornya first long distance calling Belau, 94 mornya fiber optic network Alcila Blur Oriorma, common milgetra infrastructure, 97 mornya dial up internet, 2000 kadamlo ko tulo cellphone legal makadiri ra cellphone. But the improvements have progressed and may al 2017 al time 2017 nga niya el niya fiber optic cable gid, and you have come to NCC mlamor niya online services ngi kautel mulkol wase kum la telgibel mo te kum infrastructure awabl al bora picker ngi mo kum akum focus tra customers mong swadra meng sa igal BSL products sa kamil wa smart hub, online payments, online shopping rabadur belaw. Padadir ko udabus ma internet card mal kudo ma sales ngi electrical tra customer, online directory mong swadra sa telela financial officer Ramaruy Mlukulbol is mother baby progress the customer service and the kind of financial backing mo to service price lagi.
Tutawal garili tel smart tower Apple ngara PNCC website ta direct kal cyber customers tigal ko ngara wa iPhone swil mo Apple Store ta no dringi direct kal tigal ko ngara ospa Samsung swil mo kele Google Play Store tel smart haba los pernya PNCC provider seguidele e-bill service online etiamal pagigidel dosa kum saying it's all about customer service magara improve tel service of customers. So with this smart hub, we provide a convenience to the customer. We provide them information regarding their account at the tip of their fingers. Anytime, will view statement till online. Tiamaklo to trail smart hub like mobile sibila customer los peringi view our whole information ra tetelela billing account sell monthly bill receive niya customer seguida will view ringi los per tagi the smart hub. So mal provide a convenience for a customer will mess our whole information at any time direct kal moswira kumbali mo kuk talgi will reduce the cost ni ra kuk tetelela billing for customers. Sel kuk produce a cost ringing kuk so la mesagel bebira te al improve tel service el more okay detail e-bill service el la girela okay galmera obistra a PNCC either sel ngar orior maluk tel ngar irai girel okay galmeling mo ngel kel customer rep te direct ngar ngel security questions el customer girel mo create girel mo create cell palubin provide cell email address ringi direct kal girel create a password ringi ay girel security mendaka so la ngi dil other lo mesetel information account ra ya okay excel me et mo bangel ngi dil customer rep et provide ngi dil information ya okay ga mo spell anytime view tel account ringi spell Semel pay bill anytime. Semel mo avoid again disconnection fee, maluwa again late fee. Tekal semel view again billing history tel account ragaw. Again payment history ragaw. Tekal semel view los per tagid smart hub. Direkal semel okay gal mo view again usage seringira. All time hindi mo again postpaid again 775 again das will view ra usage set. Direct elang anya best feature lignotel smart hub okay ka will report any inquiries malubong issues regarding the service sumaka ngablim na mbuda ka service malubong anya problem ating workout and will more segi the feature test smart hub reporter say ya next day tigel ko technician sa mo check mura problem service lo ko ating workout. So ngokip tagi del smart hub lagi mal requester okya misi kami sum kamla mo tel bikal buil kim center test statement lo korkaw so mo na mo da kam require tel hard copy statement namo swam tiagid ibil statement memel mera egal lobbyistra PNCC nga orior malubo nga iray create sa gid ibil service le or bolsel so anytime ko sa statement account tragaw make a payment still make a payment ng PNCC accept egal Visa Mastercard gigida sa make a payment los Matya direct kalmal ngora gi promote ringi ki provide a convenience for a customer direct kam sa self power a customer kum sing sel control sel manage sa tial account ringi mamadingi monthly payment ringi usage ringi ra dengwa direct kay gel history ra account ringi sel view anytime email sign up ning maklol ngoswir direct kay mal ngoswir environment ringi direct kal reduce muda kasaldom ko la karkara torula babiri gigida sibel ngosuira environment direct mal ngosuira kombali direct kal soil reduce cost ni huk sel legal increase capacity ringil ko kol ngosera improve tal service more okyak direct kal kuk ngai contribution ngil more public direct kal ngosuira customer mo updated ra rogul information ra account so ikegida ko ka sebakal all together tel smart hub ya suma okya ka mga nya ka question ringi girela tel smart hub mal sibel di color sele sibel ko customer support ra 488 9000 direct kal okyak selbel sisbel mo mesetegal customer service tamal mo help pertil understand ra mo makara mo spiritual smart hub mong nga kamaktirek kal dimla ko dongali imla mo enroller ngi mahal provide a convenience ko sa I know rogul information gel account nga tekal mal ka advertiser ngi promoting in public mo say elal age of technology and giredal take advantage sa kagidal improvement services sem sulag
Sulang CFO maruy. Tiagin ko knik sa topic kita tiay sel ko sel ko kurele kala press secretary akmalo sa Maria ngi a promo ra PNCC ma icon services available ra mura adra blul wa live broadcast ma bedolula talk shows edro spera PNCC maliswad mo ado ra Mrs. Silas malbolsis ra sel promotional highlights itil wala singra ngal ko offer makaradom ko dor commuter at lektel laurior sulang Silas
sulang yung already malimit tutaw not only this month we have promo and every month tukura magtugubet sa mandra PNCC lang niya mo mong Celdori 8th anniversary so tiamle walela el almand yim lestat el advertising el promo mal sabi iwil mora Channel 1 at the same time EBB ma website termam pncc.palau.com direct kal ragubes dengora PNCC 488 9000 mat so mo mas egal promo ora mo ringa agel mal please mo makatong 488 9000 or 587 9000 BSL service ra PNCC liblem lancer el almanda ang ring sel premium wifi service say $150 a month kaya umili already lang month to month hindi ako po wala tarakara contractor any ngani sell installation fee of course $105 tiang wifi service would say up to 35 concurrent users al mas ngi akti o mas sumo mo nga karim please may some question imora service give them lang sing sel PNCC live stream tiang $300 per event ungingil sel sugum let's say less than within 30 minutes sa event tergaw eng mo 150 aral yi mal mga la tirigel interested tel live streaming wase malungila o meraw ma kim sender mamal mo survey sa amlo ay sergal wase sa ba may provider service india Leng ko magsubes hindi akal sa amal cover at yan bela rogi. Orior, yes, sabihin. Iray, sabihin. But nga niya, baby, parts ra pabadab, mo gakal sa amal. Agi dirgam marala orior. Dira kalibok ICC sel service lul sa niya a CFO tele smart hub. El alta memlamo sab evel mega travel report online direct. Instead of calling 611, nga niya access ra sa smart hub and sa emen madimor cell app emergong report ra issue ka. Dimla ka dalton na ding warkaw, nga niya issue ra TV ka, mean anything. You can go through that yang in will niya mura process. Sa mandira kal imura ra din. Anniversary week special sa sel August 25 and mo August 28. Let me say the time nga niya 20% off rarogo el prepaid cards. That's airtime, madabus, internet. Obis rang mamra orior or obis rang mamra iray. Bibok ta alisel wa sa direct every night market magingara renrak at tele iray side lol cards 20% off. Sige del August 25 to 28 mal mga lera rogo yel okera PNCC lo se omey imharawa bil ka sign up orang nya mumar yi miskawa free gift. We also still have available phone directory tirigel goram lo dagat little ma directory please me mal gipska phone directory ko. Dirakal ngaringiya sige del wigara coming August 21 to 25 we will be giving free previews regel rogo el TV premium packets more tirger rogo el TV subscribers. So til mo maskate al google let's say hindi mla mo HPO guk mo saklung yole HPO and it might interest you mong sabi ML Sebon Miraxel preview kami the sign up para ka. We'll be glad to do that. Speaking of sign up, sengarnya special, sign up special sa ma'am which is corporate TSL. Corporate TSL before ang yimle offering in more business, ang yimla mo introduce ngin more residents. Provided agi direct ka spell senra ma'am mo survey. Base Isabela sector sa corporate Southern Fiber en la mornia residential pelaw el ngartial service and the of course ang aring sel difference ra we do introduce that al time ang aring 50% off for installation sel installation sa gid 105 al 50% off ang waldibol 5250 tiyang endra Augusto 1st. So igel birakalmal mga igel business out there al gilal tiyale corporate TSN. With the pandemic in front of us, I think we need a better and a faster connection to conduct business. I mean, especially communicating with our outside business partners. Hindi ra kamadir kamalmol may yel home VSL plans. Igal gukmal di more residential. Nganya start tra basic al $60. Morisel premium al $119.95. O kumeng sige dal $60. Yagil tool VSL plans that we have. O banggel a fixed line. Let's say kami aplar $60. Ang armarigal bundle the local sige the fixed line and then sa paamal speed sa paamal di mo your service area umarngi up to 10 meg for the premium one which is $119.95 up to 20 meg bundle the local fixed line caller ID ma fixed line ma caller ID Why say, it's the speed that makes a difference, making nga sel bundle. Same madir gamalmon mo. We will give you the modem for free. Direk ngarngi gale, di ngarngi residents ma ra balur bela dira kalpolo fixed line. May al time and free installation. So please come and apply. You can save $50. Ega rogo il Palau Cell postpaid plan. Ega liga cell phone. Rogo plan el ang free sign up. Cell sign up you can save $15. The TV premium packets. Again, ang aring mo rin segi del preview ra August 21 and 25. Let's say momre Excel preview mo interested rawan legal packets o may the free activation. So please come and apply. Direct kal sel gora klol TV gama ngara obisar mamra orior masel tayi ngara irai se EBB electronic billboard. Ese ngaringi way malertriga rogul mormurt waigal mormurt akmal se emen wa adarga wal me ya yo raringi for 14 days for $30. El angaringi sel $50 for 1 month. Run in 1 month. And then of course sabi may already you can provide us 3 screens, 3 ads. And dia kan mobrara ya tul TV at the same time at channel 1. Please take advantage certiang madimdel el almo November 3. I say. Direct kal I'm sorry, say the 3 for 1 month. Agi customer operations sir ma'am ma tirigal agra sales. Agi agi mal ni telo sales ko mangarniar okya gal out there e ko rangarngiya career ngarngiya sorry move tel mul mom tengay o spera vim gole avalego el sugum so mil move tel mom tengay mulam so de legal services el gim of therapy NCC not ndiaga vil kusaver el altemela promo el bekkal time avalo spera yes we will be glad to help. And they give again walngan yang illegal or visit our website
Maraming sulang Mrs. Silas kadamral mal aswar tutele la internet el altam kadamral nga PSL hul adra COVID and really since February March everybody's been online communicating online mar adra kukti nga blay ang access til mo TV ling kukti kalsals edlo mais most of the information and receive are other mas occurred during COVID sabi edel ding mal online whether it coming from television nakadora ni live streaming mal ubeng recorded streaming so kadamral mal nga kadongan tangat tel product tel service available level 1 ng legal balur el altam at madi mo mention na Mr. Titong alwasi kadam lamay sa balur Pacific and you may not realize it but abela obang probably the best fastest internet service anywhere you can find kadam rang tangat kada kolam Marcel mo oro kyolela tel sure gid elang hindi mal swal mo sa telela PRO Heflin Val ngarnia selkuk special announcement la PNCC el 38th anniversary la PNCC magel ko BSL sa mul dira la promotion sa limlakal dunga Mrs. Silas sulang Mr. Bay
malungil tutawe kaman masal olgaril for the last 37 years the PNCC amal lawrior el maringal el provider of wheel service el mura arugul adra Belaw, marugul kierba, balur belaw. El alireng malsokalo ay si olgarilo malwase. El alireng PNCC oriol lobengala PCC emo offer first el PNCC scholarship program. El mo available el almel September. El mora student tra PCC ngar belaw. Sila gim gotel mo alelak lagi mo da sortial scholarship. and lesoma mal ruli a scholarship that is meaningful to the student. At the same time, ang benefit del mera kumbali. Mang malso kalau ay sok mo sa LL September yang mo agi provide a $4,000 al scholarship el mora for el ngal garbelaw el ngara skura PCC. Tiragal ngal ka PCC gibam award al scholarship el mortira giril ngara major air condition and refrigerator, automotive technology, business accounting, construction technology, electrical technology, information technology, office administration, small engine and outboard marine technology, tourism and hospitality. I give you degree programs sa PCC. Kama masoma malmo focus or tigaygidyal foreign student and major awan daygidyal programs le idea akmulwa se ang soma mal improve workforce sa PNCC. Elal tutaw kada rin nga siya CEO or kama malo ay cycle quality services. In order to maintain that services, we need to have quality workforce. Mamlesoma malamu ulertegi the scholarship program lomangela PCC el concentrate the tilgaygi del student el ngarigaygi del majors nang malsokal law ay sokmulwa se tiagi del scholarship program mamsang at langal garbelaw el ngara PCC el lomda sulwa se after PCC ang so is about workforce at yang mamsang at langaygi del student el gagi the recipient el selbol madagara program rangira PCC ang mamalaya 3 months internship program PNCC lobang kamam el paid internship, and then after that 3 months of paid internship ya PNCC omesra sel sumunga nga nidra PNCC ma qualification ang gagi the legal intern, and then we may offer a 2-year contract to lobangela gagidal internship student. Mang agi ulamesa igaro scholarship offer the PCC so mamarulil talgibal mo meaningful meaning a student sel langutal scholarship ang mo madangak mas after college there might be an opportunity for him or her in the workforce. Mleso mama PNCC bol provider tagidial scholarship so that workforce of PNCC improve in the future. Masayigidi agora mayang isela PNCC digdep, and I'm sure toward the end of this month ikamama PCC amotmage gut maklise gidial tagidial program ang mo sa LR fall students LR 2020 mo applying sa PCC. Limla sige dahil nga para mutal ka rin sekal.
Maraming sulangan Mr. Bay, CFO, COO, Sales and Marketing Manager. Kalblal offer niya PNCC mo workforce investment tra Balur Belao. Madingil was akum era officer president ng Artiang, president ramang samal mereng asulir tilang, mereng asulir labor dala. Ay gan rogul field silblang bas mo help rangal kasura PCC are the bread and butter skills and trade fields sa Balur Belao. Maraming mga sulio. Congratulations PNCC. Adimle Swadal Dulia wasing kanang artialom tel officer president ramang saw press secretary komsulal mi invite gid mle bong community ungil sil sa PNCC ungil sil more other Belao 38th anniversary. Ikatamal mga sulio Mr. Titong, Mr. Maroy, Mrs. Silas, Heflin Bay, mabekal chairman nila Trabor, mabekal board members sa PNCC, mar staff sa PNCC. Komsulang happy anniversary.